Basic usage of looking forward to. I'm looking forward to. When telling someone that you are looking forward to, you are saying that you are waiting or hoping for something, especially with pleasure. Here are some examples. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to talking with you. I'm looking forward to going on vacation. I'm looking forward to spending time with my family. I'm looking forward to learning the English language. I am looking forward to visiting another country. I am looking forward to having a family. I am looking forward to graduating from college. I am looking forward to watching the baseball game. I am looking forward to running in a race.